Coach Leo, congratulations on getting back-to-back wins this series. What did you think of the way CJ stepped up and shot those back-to-back crucial baskets, as well as the way the rest of the team closed out today's game?
Yeah, first of all, thank you. And then I would like to give my group, FOB, as Panguling. I think this win is there's a lot of guts from our players, especially Pinanong CJ about the play. So it's part of the play. It's the recipient of in one pass, and then we're not after the 4 points or 3 points. We want to keep 2 points, but knowing CJ, gusto niya manalo eh. And never kung pinagbabawalan siya tumira any part of the court as long as it's a good cat or the situation sa nila yun. And siguro earlier, during the first half, nagkaroon kami ng counting altercation, but I have to respect everybody because what I feel is gusto niya manalo. But I want to let him know that I'm the coach of the team, and he should respect me also. And then I apologize, he apologized, and that's why and it turned out na maganda nangyari, na-focus. And then yung focus niya to it, dahil gusto niya magpakita, ganyan, and that's one thing. And that, but that's already the thing of the past because after all, we're teammates. Kailangan we have to unite and then together para hindi maapektuhan yung team. And the good thing with the team is talagang nakikita nila pasensyoso sila lahat eh. And then nakita niya naman maganda ginagawa niya lahat sa kanyang bola and all my plays siya tinatawag mo lahat. Before that, si Don naman si Don. And then si Don, isa rin maganda yung laro niya. And then siya ang umabol. Hindi kami pumitaw after ng leading by as much as 12 points. And then all of a sudden, wipe out, lumabang sila. But I give credit to the players because of their experience in this kind of game.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Maybe you would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Coach, get a good start the first quarter. Yun nga. Pero sabi si TNT, bumalik sa second quarter. They took the lead. They led by 11 yata. So, parang kung ano yung kwento ng first 2 games yung nangyari pero ng iba na nawala yung lamang.
Yeah, I think first of all, I think yung game plan namin at the start, maganda eh. Kaya lang, hindi na-sustain. Because na-overwhelm kami ng lamang eh. Usually, that's a human nature eh. But we have to address that this is a finals. So, cannot afford to relax because our opponents always thinking how to get back because this is championship game. So, it's a lesson learned for us. But fortunately, because of the experience of the players, the team, so they don't want to give up. And then, anong nangyari, nakakasap kami and we have a chance to get the lead courtesy of CJ, his 7 points in the last minute. So, you have to give credit to this kind of player because alam natin na yung kanyang tapang sa paglalaro, walang especially in a crunch time na ganito, gusto niya manalo. And then the problem is some players are trying not to make mistake. And in that situation, kailangan namin ng katulad niya.
Please, can you expand on that? Sabi mo, understanding mo with CJ or 30.
Yeah, nagkaroon yun and then kasi ang iniisip ng player is he wants to to win. He wants to win by playing a lot of times. But as a coach, I know what's happening. Okay? Because we're after the flow of the game. But knowing CJ, ibabalik ko siya. So, what happens because of that incident, So, na-refocus siya. And makita niyo naman siya. Nakita niyo kanina talagang ayaw patalo. And that's the kind of player na we want to have. Especially in this kind of championship, makikita niyo. Yung last possession, lahat sa kanya kong binigay. Although that play is not for him, because after siya, quick 2 or quick 3, but he has the opportunity. And that kind of shot, ginagawa niya sa practices sa game. Makikita natin eh. That's why, nung pataas pa lang bola, palagay ko papasok ito. And then, nakinig yung nasa taas natin. And I'm so happy for his guts.
CJ, nung fourth quarter pala, 6 of 6 ka. So, parang nung game 6 na 12 of 12. Pero ngayon, fourth quarter naman, bibigat pa yung
Actually, ginawa ko lang naman kung ano yung makakaya kong gawin. Struggle sa first half, but ginawa ko lang yung mga coaches sa akin. And yun, nag-response lang ako kung ano yung ibigay sa akin.
Hindi yung pang 4 points shot mo at saka 3 points shot mo lang. Naramdaman mo parang hindi ka makapaniwala na naipasok mo.
Actually, nagulat din ako nung pumasok yung 4 points. Sobrang, lang, parang masalamat na lang ako kay Lord kasi pumasok. Kasi, wala na akong ibang choice kundi itira yun eh. And thank you kasi nag-shoot sila. Hindi sila nag-trap. So, yun, pumasok yun. Pagpapasok ko, salamat ko para nasa game sa pangalawang panalo. So, yun, hopefully, hindi na maulit yung yung mga lapses namin, no? Ang laki na nung lamang namin, hindi nakakapit. Yun.
CJ, yung tinirahan mo kanina ng 4-point shot, Alvin of Tagalog natin. Pagka bilang kayo, ano man ang lalaman mo? Binira mo.
Siguro kabisado ni Calvin, alam niyo na drive ko so sa big points eh, kailangan hindi pumasok.
Buti nakalimutan nilang talagang tumitira siya sa 4 points. And ginagawa naman niya yun eh. Sa practice, sa game, ganyan eh. A situation like that, lakas na ng loob eh. Dahil gustong manalo eh. That's one thing that you have to appreciate to the kind of player we have. Dahil ayaw nilang pabago.
Coach, medyo mabigat yung panalo nyo sakit sa TNT. Do you feel like yung moral ninyo and momentum nasa panig nyo?
Actually, before the game, this game is really important for us because this is pivotal. Na-reduce na sa plus of 5. So, game 1 is very important because you have a chance to relax for a while because the next game is on Wednesday. So, we have viewing tomorrow and the shooting and then Tuesday back to regular practice and then Wednesday game time. So, but first and foremost, kailangan they have to recover physically, mentally, and then kailangan makuha ulit nila yung to refocus at the next game because alam natin na talk and text after na nakatay kami, nakita natin yung bagsig nila ngayon and nakita natin yung kanilang adjustment and then mabuti na nakapag-response kami and then during the game kasi sa practice there's no drastic changes magagawa mo dahil it's a matter of just explaining to them what to do, what the situation is and katulad sinasabi ko, last game, makita mo, ang taas na shooting percentage namin is 55 and the championship game, 55%, so that's a lot. And then we give up only 2 second chance points for them. And tonight, almost talo kami sa lahat ng department, but because of, makita nyo, shooting percentage, 39 versus 41. But, yun nga, ayaw patalo yung mga players kaya credit sa kanila.
Just update
This was a mild sprain actually naglalaw siya ng hindi 100% but alam natin yung kanya he's a warrior and many times during the finals he's not always 100% but namamalis niya and kanina tinatanong ko gusto mong pumasok at para defensive purposes so the backup na because kaya very honest yung bata yung player hindi pala bata yun very honest dahil alam niya, napipil niya kung anong feeling ng mga player na nasa loob. Fortunately, may mga players na talagang willing na pumasok o mag-defend para sa panalo niya. And then, we're so lucky dahil yung kanilang last 4 points yan, hindi pumasok.
And that sounds like a post-game press conference. Congratulations once again to SFO.